Hello everyone. Continuing on the series of economic operators, let's discuss today about PRRC. The PRRC is an abbreviation for Person Responsible for Regulatory Compliance in the Medical Device Regulation. So who is the PRRC? The PRRC is a person available in an organization who is responsible for all the regulatory compliance activities of the medical device. The PRRC is responsible to ensure that the conformity of the device is checked before its release according to the defined quality management system. He is also responsible to ensure that the technical documentation and the EU Declaration of Conformity is drawn up and kept up to date. The PRRC ensures that the post-market surveillance obligations are complied to. That is, to set up the PMS system to actively and systematically collect the data of the medical device on its quality, performance, and safety throughout the lifetime of the device. The PRRC is also responsible to ensure that the reporting obligations are fulfilled. Some of the obligations are the reporting and the analysis on the serious incidents and the field safety corrective actions. Another example is the reporting on the trend of the serious incidents. Another important task of the PRRC is while submitting the application for the clinical investigation. The PRRC has to sign a statement that the investigational device conforms to the general safety and performance requirements and that every precaution has been taken to protect the safety and health of the subject during the clinical trial. So let's see now who requires a PRRC. So a PRRC is required by manufacturers and the authorized representative. According to the definition in the MDR, a PRRC is required by organizations of all sizes, the large, the micro, and the small. For a large organization, the PRRC is to be available within the organization. But for the small, the micro, and the authorized representative, the PRRC need not be within the organization. The function can be outsourced, but the PRRC has to be available at a permanent and continuous disposal by the manufacturer or the authorized representative. So who can be a PRRC? Any person who has a degree in one of the relevant scientific disciplines related to law, medicine, engineering, and who has a certificate to prove this degree could become a PRRC, but this person must also have 1 year of equivalent experience in a regulatory affairs or in quality management system in a medical device industry. Or a person should have 4 years of working experience in the regulatory affairs or in the quality management system in an industry related to the medical devices. So what are the notified bodies going to look for while checking the compliance against Article 15 on the PRRC? Definitely they are going to look at the certificates to confirm the degree of the person according to the MDR. They are going to look at the curriculum vitae. They might look at the job descriptions that the company has issued against the role of the PRRC, the trainings that they have received to perform the tasks as defined in the MDR, the communication within the organization on the appointment of the PRRC, and also the upload of information on the UDAMET on the PRRC when it becomes available. They could also possibly check the job contracts of the appointed PRRC. So this list is not an all-inclusive list. This is based on our experience and our interpretation of the MDR. There could be few other things that the notified bodies might require to verify compliance. Please get in touch with your respective notified bodies to see if there are any other requirements to be met here. That's pretty much about the PRRC. I'll get back with the next economic operator in the series. Until then, stay safe and thank you.